So I've seen a lot of people over the last specifically week or so getting kind of bearish again in terms of ADA. We had that nice surge in terms of price, but we've kind of followed the broader crypto market down. And I've seen people again talking about breaches, down into the 30 cent range, and BTC dropping and doing major corrections. And I want people to understand something. ADA's doing nothing different than it's normally done. It's still on top of this support range. All right, we're retesting this again. And right now, there is something that has never happened in terms of BTC in any bull market cycle that people need to know about. So right now, ADA again testing its support. We're at about 43 cents at the time of filming this, and we're again testing our support here after a nice surge to the upside. And this is all happening again along with the crypto market. BTC right now is going through a little bit of a retracement. We're kind of just waiting for tomorrow, right? We don't need to get too much into that. Waiting for the FOMC meeting, CPI report. So BTC is kind of floating in no man's land here. We're away from our top trend. We're away from our 62K range. And this right now is about where this weekly moving average sits in terms of BTC. And what people need to understand is that outside of black swan events in the bull market cycle, BTC has never breached below the 20-week moving average and closed a candle there. It has never happened. I want to show you guys this. So we look back throughout these multiple market cycles. You guys can see, apart from the China banning crypto, apart from the COVID crash back here in 2020, and apart from the Egypt conflict back here in 2013, this has never happened. You guys can see this consistent trend of BTC staying above its 20-week moving average, except for when you go back into the bear market. Now, what I'll say is this: is there potential for a black swan event? Sure. We know that, pop-up wars could happen, or, conflicts could escalate. Maybe we tip into a recession sometime in the next 2 months. I don't think it's likely. I think it's more likely, in fact, that there are more white swan events that take place. We know that institutional money, again, is going to start hitting spot Ethereum ETFs by the time that we would see this convergence, right? If these both just naturally go through consolidation and this slow rise in terms of the 20-week moving average, sometime around August is about when these two would meet. And basically July or August is when we're supposed to start seeing institutional money flow into Ethereum spot ETFs. Now, here's the thing. Does that Ethereum spot ETF money flow from Bitcoin spot ETFs? Typically not. It's typically fresh capital, new money hitting the space, because right now there's not these huge funds set up in terms of BTC like there have been with some other ones. So right now, it almost seems like the market is more ready to run than fall. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, the great news for ADA is, again, we talk about this compounding of all these positive things that haven't been, frankly, reflected in price. We know that obviously the Chang hard fork is going to be coming too. I don't think I have the dates exactly on that, but the phase 1 is supposed to be in July. Phase 2 is supposed to be in August. Big overhauls of the entire Cardano ecosystem. It's very difficult right now to fathom the fact that ADA could drop down into this 30-cent range with the advancements that have taken place, being this far into the bull market cycle already, being post-halving, being into early alt season, about at a time where the market typically takes off. Hopefully you guys understand that. Now, could it happen? Sure, right? And if it does happen, I'm buying more. I've been on the heavy accumulation mode. I think ADA is extremely undervalued right now, especially for what's taken place. Some people will say it's overvalued because of having such a high market cap and not having much to show for it. Guys, it's all about what it can do. It's all about what it can do. And right now, we're seeing the execution of what it can do. We're seeing it looked at in big ways by nations, by enterprises, the big things that are going to bring about Cardano adoption in a sustainable long-term way. Those things are here. They can't be slept on anymore. They're happening, right? It's in the news. People are ignoring it right now. We're not seeing it move price yet, but that only lasts so long. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know where you think ADA price is headed here in the near term. I'm sure some people will be more bearish. As you guys know, I tend to be more on the bull side, but I'm excited about what the back half of this year is in fact going to bring to ADA and the crypto market. But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.